Latest Pound 14 Pro per meter original color repair cable. Solve the problem that the brightness of the latest iOS system cannot be adjusted automatically. The screen does not light up when RECEIVINGNOTIFICATION information. 14 PM must have the original screen. 14 Pro does not need the original screen, but must write the original color. The handset detection function is used with the cable. This is an iPhone 14P whose iOS 18.1 system brightness cannot be adjusted automatically. The screen does not light up when receiving notification information. Take out the Pound L3 repair instrument. Plug in Manset sensor pair expansion board. Will automatically jump to the relevant page. Pull out distance-sensitive lineup. Take the cable and solder it. Just remove a set of sensing photosensitive components and install them. Buckle the welded cable onto the expansion board. Test display normal. Plug in the mobile phone data cable to connect the mobile phone. Test display by. Show write success. Detection display exists data. Turn off the phone and install the cable on the phone. The problem of brightness not being able to adjust. Automatically, screen not lighting up when receiving notifications has been solved. Take out the non-original screen. Take out the Pound L3 repair instrument. Plug in Truotone repair expansion board. Take out the original screen and buckle it on the expansion board to save the data. Put the non-original screen on the expansion board to write data. Install the non-original screen back on the phone. Non-original screens can also be used to normally fix the problem that the brightness cannot be adjusted automatically. The screen does not light up when receiving notification information.